Today we are going to be exploring Padlet. What is Padlet? Padlet is an online bulletin board. It is free and simple to use. It is a great place to organize your thoughts, and it can also be a showcase for student work. In order to create a Padlet, you go to padlet.com. And my account is already logged in, but it is very simple to create your own account. In order to create a new Padlet, you click New Padlet. And we're going to modify our Padlet. The first thing I will do is give my Padlet a title. And I will give it a description. This is where I will tell the students what I want them to do. Today's Padlet will be used as an exit ticket. I want the students to share one important thing that they learned in class today. This is our layout, and I can choose freeform, where the students can post anywhere on the wall. I usually start here so that it doesn't become confusing for the students. If I begin in the grid style, as students are posting, it moves things around and becomes a little bit confusing. But after everything's posted and edited, sometimes I will switch to the grid style to keep it more organized. I can now choose my background, and they do offer several different backgrounds to choose from. You can also upload your own. I like to keep it simple, and I can add an icon that goes with my title. I'll choose a light bulb since this is what they will see and they're sharing a bright idea with me. Now that the background is set up, we're going to evaluate our privacy settings. These are the different options that you have: private, password protected, secret, where you cannot search for it through Google or anything else, and public. I usually go with the private option, and I provide the students with the link and they can access and edit the information. I can add contributors, and I can also moderate posts if I wanted to provide approval prior to the students posting on the actual wall. Okay, now we're ready to get started. We're all set to post to our heart's content. In order to post, you double-click on the background, and where it says title, I have the students write their name. The students then click here to respond to the prompt. So I typed my response. Today I learned the Spanish word for turtle is tortuga. And if I wanted to add a picture to my post, I would click this plus sign in the middle. I can choose to link from the web, I can upload, or I could take a photo. I'm going to upload a photo today. And I just drag and drop the photo that I chose. It might take a second to find the photo, but once it does, it asks me if it looks good, and I can choose to keep it or not keep it, and I click OK because I do like it. So there is my post. If I wanted to get rid of it, I would hit the trash can, or I could also just get rid of the picture. So as students type their posts, this is what the Padlet begins to look like. If Maria wanted to edit or add something to her post, she would click the pen. And down here she has options of what she would like to add. She could use a voice control, a video, add a picture, upload a document, take a picture, or add a Word document. One of the issues that you may run into while using the free form is that students may try to post over top of someone else, and that might cause an issue. So that's where you can change in your settings to switch to grid to keep it more organized, or stream. I usually use the grid option after everybody has posted, so I can save that here. One thing that the students cannot do is edit each other's documents. I have personally posted all of these so I could edit them, but they can't add or edit or delete each other's work. Today we used Padlet as an online bulletin board to share ideas. This is just one of the many great features of this website. Thank you for taking the time to watch my tutorial, and I hope you enjoy using Padlet.